Stop eating all the yogurt you got at the store. Instead, leave about 2 to 3 spoons and make your next batch at home. Let me show you how. You need full cream milk, so any brand will do. For every cup of powdered milk, you need 2 cups of warm water. Here, I'm going to be using 2 cups, which means I'll use 4 cups of water. What I did was to use 2 cups of boiling water first, stir that to get rid of the lumps, and 2 cups of room temperature water after that. Stir that properly and let it sit for a bit, maybe about 5 to 10 minutes. Once it's a bit cold, you see a thick coat over the milk. You need to take that out. Then strain the milk to further remove any lumps so that your yogurt will come out smooth. Now, this is where your leftover yogurt comes in. You use this as your starter. Make some of your milk with 2 tablespoons of the old yogurt in another container, please, not directly in the milk, and mix properly. I took my time to mix this so that I don't do another round of straining for lumps. Once this is done, add that to the rest of the milk and stir it again. Now you cover it up and just wrap it to keep in a warm place for 10 to 14 hours. In my case, I left it in my oven overnight, and by morning when I took it out, it had fermented into yogurt. Now, if you're aiming for a regular yogurt drink, you can stop here and just add your preferred sweetener, but I was aiming for Greek yogurt, so I transferred it into a cheesecloth, placed it on top of a normal strainer to separate the whey from the yogurt. We're going to be keeping this in the fridge for an hour or two to stop the fermentation process and so that the whey can drain properly. And just like that, your unsweetened Greek yogurt is ready. For sweetened, just add any sweetener of your choice. I used some sugar and I tasted it to make sure it wasn't too sweet before transferring it to my yogurt container. This came out smoother than my favorite store-bought yogurt. Now that I've shown you how to make yogurt from scratch, hope you're going to.